Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root of a plus square root of b is equals to square root 1 plus square root 21 plus 12 root 3. And we have to find the value of a and b where a is less than b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first we can write this as 1 plus under root 21, we can break it as 9 plus 12 and 12 root 3, we can write it as 2 times 3 times root 3. So here I'm writing this 2 times 3 times root 3. Now, one plus square root, here it becomes an property 9 plus 12 plus 2 times 3 root 3. Here 9 we can write it as 3 square and 12 we can write it as 2 root 3 square because 2 root 3 square is 2 times 3 times 3, that is, 2 times 3 or root 3 times, that is equals to 12. So in place of 12 we can write it as 2 root 3 square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2 root 3. So here it becomes a formula of 3 plus 2 root 3 whole square. So in place of this, we can write this as 3 plus 2 root 3 whole square. We'll take this 2 here and this 3 here to make the identity. Now with the help of this square root we can remove. So we can write this as 1 plus 3 plus 2 root 3. Now again, I'm writing down this 1 plus 3 plus 2 root 3. Here, 1 square plus 3, we can write it as root 3 square plus 2ab, 2 times 1 times root 3. So it becomes a formula of 1 plus root 3 whole square. So 1 plus root 3 whole square. So with the help of this square, again the square root eliminates. So the value of root a plus root b is equals to 1 plus root 3. Now we already know that a is less than b. So the value of square root a must be 1 because if I square both sides, the value of a will be 1 and the square value of square root b is root 3 and we do squaring both sides, the value of b is 3. So only in this case, the value of a is less than. So these are the two values that we have to calculate. A is 1 and b is 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.